using the multi-purpose joiner Pro23 to make your floating shelves. This is my preferred method of making a floating shelf. It's super lightweight. You can use scrap materials from on your workshop floor, so it's going to be very cost effective. What I'm going to actually do with my floating shelf, this is going to be 1 3/8 in thickness, or 35 millimeters in thickness. The length of the floating shelf can be whatever you determine. What I've done is I've made my floating shelf here out of MDF, 3/8 of an inch, 16 millimeters MDF. As you can see, I've made a basic frame. Then on the top, I've used a 3 millimeter piece of MDF. I'm obviously going to put a 3 millimeter piece of MDF along the bottom. Note, on the back here, I've back set this back piece to accommodate space for my brace. This brace needs to be 25 millimeters in depth or 1 inch, also accommodating for the thickness of the products. Now that I've got my back set in the correct position to accommodate my brace, this brace here will fit into position on top of the Striplox products, and as you can see from here, it is nice and flush with the back edge, so that when that brace gets screwed to the wall, it'll sit nice and flush. Once I've made my lightweight floating shelf, I can then laminate it or take it to the painter. So now my lightweight shelf has been freshly painted or laminated. As you can see, it's a very nice shiny shelf, and it is super lightweight. It is hollow. As I say, in the back edge here, you can see the recessed position here to accommodate the brace on my wall. I'm now going to put this floating shelf onto the wall. I'm putting the floating shelf on the wall. I slide it over the top of the brace, ensuring that it's fitting nice and tightly. Then all I'm going to do is move the shelf along 16 millimeters. And that is my shelf on the wall. 100% hidden joining solutions from Striplox.